Do you want to become a profitable trader? Hi, I'm CA Rudramurthy, author, trader, and trainer. Welcome you to Easy Money Show. Nifty on futures on Friday hit a level of 15,970, which was just 30 points away from 16,000. However, today you see SGX Nifty indicating a gap down open of over 200 points. Yes, it is because of the number one reason which everyone today talks is about the inflation concern in America. And just not in America, everywhere in the world, inflation is definitely shooting up. Crude oil prices having hit the 6 years highest level of around 76 $77 per barrel on Brent crude. Now slowly crude oil prices are back to $72 per barrel. Main reason, yes, OPEC, which had done already output cut, is now slowly releasing them, and thereby supply in crude oil will now start moving up. And always remember, demand for crude oil coming down is not a good indication globally. However, supply increasing and thereby prices coming down is a very good news, especially to countries like India, which has lot of crude oil consumption, and the import bill is constituted heavily because of this crude oil prices. Let me also tell you today, it is just not India specific news. It is a global sell off because on Friday we saw Dow was down over 300 point, and after that today morning you see Dow futures is down another down 200 points. So overall, there is about 500 points move on the downside in Dow Jones, which is just getting discounted in our today's open. Let me also tell you, look at Asian market. Hang Seng is down over 500 points, and any other Asian market, if you see, they are also down over 1%. What is very important to learn today is SGX Nifty down 200 point. When Nifty was at 7,500, it would have constituted close to 3% fall. But now Nifty at 16,000 levels, a fall of 200 points is only a fall of 1.3%. Do remember, the base of Nifty has gone up so much. Now a 200 point fall is just on percentage basis only 1.3%. Also, HDFC Bank results which came on Saturday was below street expectation, and let me decipher the numbers and its implication on market. With that, finally I'll conclude that a fall of over 2% can be seen today on open. But one very important and crucial point to tell, Nifty has gone up non-stop from 14,250 to levels of 16,000. This has been over 1,700 points up move, and having seen a 1,700 point up move in recent times, in this entire up move we have not seen any meaningful correction. And let me tell you, for more strength to have in a bull market, you always require healthy correction. And now people understand why one has to be low on leverage at these times, because we are at 16,000 levels and not at 7,500 level. Now people understand why we have to move from quantity to quality, and now people understand why we have to move for value and not towards momentum. And let me tell you, look at the stock specific movements what you have seen. Even though Nifty for a long time now, not for days, not for weeks, and for months now, it has remained in this broad range of 15,500 to 16,000. However, look at the stock specific moves. Look at your IRCTC, how it moved. Look at the move what you saw in Ease My Trip. Look at many mid cap stocks. Let us be your Prince Pipe, let us say Paraj Industry, and like this you can see so many stocks which have performed like rocket. Look at real estate as a sector and the huge outperformance what you saw in last 2 weeks, specifically in so many stocks. Look at Oberoi Realty, look at Kolte Patil, look at Purvankara, look at Soba Developers, many more names. Look at Ajmera Reality. Also look at DLF, Godrej Property. They all gave handful gains. But then if you see Nifty, it is at the same level of 15,500 to 16,000. Even I was super bullish on market and I remain super bullish, but it is stock specific. In fact, let me tell you, Nifty and Bank Nifty trades now for a long time I have never done. But however, lot of people who were selling options and eating the premium, they were very happy. Markets were sideways and it was stuck in this range. But they all forgot that one big move like this will erode all the profits what they have now made for many months. Many new people in market do not understand option selling. I am not against option selling, but I am against doing option selling every time. Irrespective of market environment, some people simply keep selling options, and now today's one move will eat out all the money made in several months till now. Let me tell you, the popular Wall Street saying, option selling is like you eat like a hen, but you shit like an elephant. In fact, successful trading is all about making your losses smaller and making your profits or gains bigger, and not the other way around. People in option selling, when they do it every month consistently without knowing market direction, and some of them who do naked selling also, imagine what happens today when you see such a huge gap down. Also remember, volatility index VIX is now at 11.7, which is even below 12, and options are so small priced because of lower VIX. Now a move like this which is happening with a gap, that means you don't even have time to exit. There is no stop loss to trigger because opening itself comes with a huge gap. Now what happens? People would have made 1% return, 2% return, half a percent return month on month. So for last 10 months, they would have made a return of, let us say, 10%. All that last 10 months profit will be eroded in one single day and one single month like this. That's the reason I say option selling is like eating like a hen but shitting like an elephant. But then only smart people who understand deeper option selling, who understand risk management, who understand position sizing, people who understand adjustment, people who understand hedging, and more than all these things, people who understand the market environment and the direction. These guys will only make money, but rest of them can only show one account one month, one strategy another month, and once in one broker account, one more time in another broker account. And all these profit screens whatever people show, they never ever show in their life the total investment made and the collateral value. You know why? Because ROI looks very very small. Let me tell you, I made a profit of 20 crore. Yes, wow, people just open their mouth, 20 crore profit. But let's assume I've used a capital of 2000 crore to make this profit of 20 crore. So if I've used a capital of 2000 crore and even a profit of 20 crore on 2000 crore investment is just a return of 1% ROI. And if I make 1% ROI per annum, and if a bank FD pays much better than that, it is better not to do option selling or any trading, because ROI in a bank FD there would be much better, and there you are taking no risk. And let me tell you, if you just see the profit of 20 crore without knowing the total capital invested and the collateral, it makes no sense. Many a times people ask me in Twitter, social media, that whether showing this P&L and seeing this P&L is of any greatness. And let me tell you, if you want to derive inspiration, we have Mukesh Ambani and Bill Gates who have made huge money, and that can be a better inspiration than seeing this half-baked information and scam 2021. Today, in fact, a special video at 8 p.m. I'll be releasing, because I believe my success is seeing the success of people who have learned market and who are earning market. Today at 8 p.m. I'll release a very special video with complete information on return on investment. That is, you should know what is the capital invested, because do you have that capital to make that profit is number one question what is required. So know what is the total capital invested whenever someone shows the full profit screenshot. Point number two, also know the time period within which it has been made. And very important point is point number three, see whether same account, same broker, and every time it is done in the same one account. It is not one day showing broker X, one more day showing broker Y, one more day showing broker Z, and whenever you have profit in which account, based on that you show that and try to fool people. People cannot be fooled, and let me tell you, a fool can fool only another fool for some time, but not everyone every time. Listen to this again, make note, and then understand the beauty. Let me now give you all that great learnings what you want, and already you have got so many today. Market will be stock specific, and let me tell you, this move what we are seeing now on the downside, not worth the shorting now. After seeing this heavy gap down open, also we have Reliance Retail taking the Just Dial stake for 3,500 crore, and it is close to 40% stake. Results this week, heavyweight results are coming, especially Reliance coming on Friday is very important to market, and many more results like HCL Technology and few others are just coming today. And I want each one of you to understand all the great learnings what we have. Now what next in market? I will repeat, it will be a stock specific market, and don't now go and sell this gap down. It is not worth doing it. Risk reward is not favorable. Don't sell options on everyday basis, and also don't buy options on everyday basis. Learn when to sell options and learn when to buy options. And whenever you see any profit screenshot, ensure you know the capital invested, and if any collateral is kept for it, know the return on investment, which is very important, and ensure it is seen only in one account, one broker, and not multiple times in different accounts, because a fool can fool only another fool for some time, but not everyone every time. A very special video today at 8 p.m. I'll be releasing for you, and I'm sure all the great learnings of today's program of Easy Money in your Rudralogy channel has given you a lot of heads up for a profitable trading day. Thank you so much for watching. Do subscribe to your channel Rudralogy and hit the bell icon now so that you get notification when we release the superb videos. Do write your comments and learnings down. Watch the video again, make lot of notes, learn continuously to earn continuously. Thank you so much for watching. Signing off, Rudramurthy. Take care. Bye-bye.